Hi dear viewer, welcome to my channel. I hope you already subscribe my channel, if not please do it now. So let's start. Today I will show you the review of an Android apps, which call Friend Life. I hope you will enjoy this review video. This is a free Android apps, so you can easily get this apps at Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store and type, Friends Life and search. This is the apps, but before installing this apps, I like to show you some details about this apps. Here are some short screens of this apps. The rating of this apps is 4.1. And below this some people's comments about this apps. So let's install this apps. For installing this apps, simply click Install button. Click Accept and wait for install this apps in your device. Now I am running this apps in my device. Okay, to create an account at Friend Life apps, you will find 3 options. Number 1. Facebook. Number 2. Twitter. And number 3. Using your own informations. Now I am going to show you what types of information you need to provide to create an account. To create an account in this apps manually you need to provide your phone number, your own name, password, your birthday and your sex. I skipped the step. For this tutorial I am creating account use my Facebook ID. This apps is trying to access my Facebook ID. I already log in my Facebook ID. That's why this apps access my ID. Okay, here's some directions about this apps. Please read these directions carefully. So, this is my Friend Life account. Now I am going to show you details about account. This is the home page of my account. This is the friend find option. If you like to make someone your friend, simply click like button. If you don't like someone as your friend, simply click skip button. This is the chatting options of this apps. And this is my profile page. Now I am going to post a new post in my account. Here 3 options you will found. 1. Text. 2. Photo. 3. Livestream. I am going to make a simple text post so that you can understand. You can also share, delete and mute your post. So, that's all. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you want to share this video with your friends, please click share button, and if you have any questions, please comment below. To get upcoming videos, please click subscribe button now. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy.